It's always good when you check different time frames. You have a different view of what's happening in the market for the same instrument. It's a pleasure having you guys here, and we are going to be looking at the Euro USD, the fiber from the 4 hours time frame, and the market is going to be rounding up soon, so things start to get a bit quiet. But then, while just checking the charts, I saw this and I said to myself, this is too beautiful not to share with others. So if you look at what we have in front of us, this is the fiber Euro USD, and a lot of traders have been saying that it's moving in this particular direction and so on, right? Especially based on the dollar, because if you look at the USD index, I can switch over to the USD index now for you. If you look at the USD index, it's more or less painting the same scenario, right? Where it has gotten to a key area of resistance on the dollar index. Here, support, and then back here, resistance. What does this mean? This means that the market should drop. And that's why in the previous video that we made, right, we said something about the USD index bullish market, meaning that we asked a question, is it really a bullish market? But the truth now is that when you have a pullback, it's not what you would call bullish. It's not a bullish trend, it's not a bullish run. It could easily be just a pullback. And that's what we have on the dollar index here. This is clearly a pullback over here. Now, from what we have here, we're going to go back to the Euro USD as that is the focus for now. So on this Euro USD, you look very well. This is just clearly a pullback to this area, which acted as resistance in the past and now has acted as support. The reason why I still like this, because normally I'm expecting it to get back to this highs here, because one, the trend is up on this 4 hours time frame, and it's a nice and clean chart. And that's why I always say, always go to check the higher time frames, the bigger picture, not just the daily or the weekly. You would also check 4 hours for clarity. And this is a very good chart and it's very clean and clear, if you ask me. Here in the past, we have the form of resistance, 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 which acted as support. Beautiful. So that's what we're also expecting over here. Today being Friday, for me, this bounce rather, is a thing of profit taking. Apart from pending orders here to enter on longs, I feel it's still a thing of profit taking, and we could as well still have a pullback here, probably early Monday, and then from here we could take it much higher to the highs here, and then we see whether it's going to break out or it's going to bounce. So this is the area of interest over here, this support area here. And I would like to advise you that pay attention to this 4 hours time frame. Even if you don't trade the 4 hours, pay attention to it. You could always pick your trades, your entry off the 4 hours. But this is a good chart to look at because it is nice, it's clean, simple on the eyes. The simpler it is, the better for you. You don't need to complicate things. And this is something that a lot of traders are looking at from different parts of the world, right? So why not follow the smart money? Why not follow the professional money? It always give you footprints in the sand. Now, with that said, I'm going to be rounding up now, and I want to say thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And of course, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and let's trade together. Let's do what? Let's make pips together. One thing I always advise, because the videos are strictly for educational purposes and they're also for my own record sake, so that when these things do happen, I can always go back and pull up the video, look at my analysis as well. It's a way to help me to grow personally. So kindly note that these videos are for educational purposes only and not to be used as a form of signal. And if you do decide to take the trades, make sure you understand how to calculate your volume, how to calculate your lot size based on your risk management, and of course, where to set your stop loss. These are the common issues, common problems that traders face on a regular. With that said, I want to say thank you guys. Do enjoy the weekend. If I see anything that's of interest to me personally, I will share with everybody so that we can learn and we can grow. Thank you guys for tuning in. Do enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the weekend, and catch you soon enough. Cheers. Bye-bye.